And we are back on the pod. So welcome back, guys. And actually, I was pondering about this episode because it's gonna be the last episode of the year, or am I gonna just post a new one on Jan 1? But I decided to do a recap of this year. Just a quick one, 10 to 15 minutes, hopefully. But before that, meron tayong winner for the last one, this one. It's a World Cup souvenir si Jeep. And I'm gonna give another one for this episode. Giveaway alert. May mga friends ko nag-message. So, tingnan natin sino panalo. But yes, we're already in episode 15. And I'm happy na umabot ako episode 15. More than the views. Actually, I haven't checked the views past 2, 3 episodes sila yung nag-view. Parang, like I told you, yung podcast is about just posting anything about basketball, about me, about what's happening around me, and hopefully yung mga nata-traffic dyan para may kabarkada ko yung kakwentuhan. Na may nag-comment actually the other day na para siyang may ka-FaceTime or may kakwentuhan, which is, that's the point of me doing this podcast. And yun, kahit konti lang kayo, importante, natutuwa yung mga nakikinig. Di ba? So, I haven't checked the numbers. Gusto ko na nagpo-post for habit forming. And yes, you deserve an episode. Dapat kahapon nga, pero I was deciding baka Thursday since New Year, after New Year or Wednesday pala. Pero sige, I'm gonna post one now and then maybe post another one next Monday na lang. Pero yes, to recap everything, I just wanna thank everyone, all the listeners, all my friends, karamihan friends ko yun, and all my people na meron akong mga 5 fans dyan na talagang nakikinig. So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. I started this pod out of curiosity because na-influence ako ng mga different podcasters that I listen to dahil sa traffic. So, salamat rin sa traffic. Ito pala yung positive thing na nangyari dahil sa traffic is yun. Na I started listening more podcast tapos na yun, I did one. So, some people ask me sino yung editor, sino nag-edit. Like I mentioned, siguro hindi nila pala ibang episode. Zero edits. Walang editor, walang scriptwriter, it's all me. It's all me yapping, blabbering, and nagkukwento lang. Parang pag nagkwento na kayo magkakaibigan, paulit-ulit pero ganun yung point. And I'm happy na a few people mentioned or messaged me. My friends, merong people I don't know message me Instagram that para kami kabarkada sila kakwentuhan when they listen to the pod. Barkadang madaldal. So anyway, last year, quick recap, super busy. Um, I was doing 6 to 9 in the morning, then I get to the office 10 or 10:30 until, depends eh. Sometimes 6, sometimes 7, sometimes earlier, most of the time mga 6, 7. Tapos pag may traffic, sometimes you wait for it to die down. I get to mga 8, 8:39, depende. Then cycle lang. Paulit-ulit, paulit-ulit. To be honest, the past few months, heading towards December, super parang pagod na ako. And nabawi ko siya ngayon. Itong break, the last week, I posted on IG. Mapasanda lang talaga ako sa kama or kahit habang nakaupo sa sofa or wherever. Parang boom, tulog. Or pikit, biglang makakatulog. Pero I think very fulfilling this year with basketball, coaching the women's team, with SBP helping the federation in whatever I can. Started coaching with the 3x3 with Coach Eric. And then helping whatever the federation needs. Very fulfilling when Gilas wins. Men's, girls, women's, boys. So it was a big year for sports, for basketball. For the federation, it was a big year. For the women's team, still a big year. We had 2 players went to Mythical 5-3. Actually, nasuspend lang siya saying. Yes, we didn't make it that far, pero We had players who had big years, so it's a success for us still. Um, my brother made it to the finals sa UST. My dad is back with San Miguel. So big year for the Austria family in terms of work. My sister's a teacher in Raya. She's doing great as well, helping kids, teaching kids, and ang dami niya regalo ng Pasko. Puro regalo. So I'm sure the kids love her. My mom has been there for us, supporting us all the way, in however she can. All the time she's there. Um, and then, yung gusto pag-usapan ngayon is about breakthroughs. Usually, when you say breakthroughs, I think it should be a yearly basis. Kunwari, this year I'm gonna break through. I think moving forward, our mindset should be every year should be a breakthrough in a sense that you're breaking barriers every year, breaking limits every year. I don't know what your goals are, pero breaking those goals, making those goals, and making more than those goals or reaching higher than those goals. If basketball wise, yung goal mo was to have like mga 20 points per game, di ba? Kunwari lang, basic na ano lang. Sana umabot ka ng 25, di ba? Parang ganun. So, kung meron kang sa sales, may quota ka ng a couple of hundred thousands, umabot ka ng 10% more, 20% more dun sa sales target mo. So, I hope every year we do that. Breaking our limits, breaking our goals every year. Um, I'm not the best at giving advice. Personally, like my friends tell me I give good advice. Pero hindi ako magaling magbigay ng advice sa sarili ko. Parang I rarely finish it or do it. So, di ko alam kung bibigay advice. Pero as the year ends, for me this year was about just working hard. This year was about riding the wave, going with the flow. But going with the flow is about having direction still. You go with the flow, but you know you're able to maneuver things. You're able to maneuver it. And then this year for me talaga was about just giving it my all. Parang there were times na I barely slept talaga. Yung once, munti ka na ako mabangga. Some of my friends know it, my colleagues. I fell asleep sa NLEX. Buti wala ako nabangga. That was a horrible feeling, pero minsan nasagad ko na atay sarili ko. So, huwag niyong gagawin yon. Kala ko kaya ko dahil Clark lang ako pupunta. I came from the day before we had this window. And then after that window, we ended mga 11, 12. Then nag-ayos pa, nag-huddle, and then got home. Siguro nakatulog ang mga 2 past 2. Had to wake up at 5. Training for the women's, and then after the women's, just had breakfast, went straight to Clark for an ocular. Tapos, yun, nakatulog ako. Kala ko kaya ko dahil sabi ko 1 hour lang yung Clark, 1 hour 20. Nakatulog ako driving. Parang nag-zone out lang a little. Pag check ko, the car was going sideways sa right. I was only at 110 na, naapakan ko natin yung accelerator, and then grabe. As in, gumagano ako. Nakwento ko, hindi ko pa natin nakwento. Parang volume up, windows down, kain ng donuts kasi I bought one. Pero yeah, it's a crazy year. A lot of good things. There are a few bad habits I developed. Yung exercise ko na wala. That's why I want for 2025, health is wealth. Know when to say no, know when to exercise. Yung exercise kailangan ko ibalik. Start of the year last year, I did pretty well. Pati food, this siguro starting mga June, wala na, downhill. Downhill yung exercise and yung diet ko. There was a point siguro mga 2 months, zero workout. Mas kain ng kain, gained so much weight. And For me, I just have to watch out for that. Kaya naman, I think I just have to, after ng birthday ko siguro, after ng birthday ko, doon tayo sisimula ng seryoso. But the past few days, I have been working out, playing basketball, di na ako makatakbo, kaya ramdam na ramdam ko talaga. Walang cooking. So, 2024 was about traveling. I've been to Cebu, Davao, Bacolod, Iloilo to do grassroots with Coach Norman. I went to Vegas for the Vegas showcase that we did for Filipino Americans. Na baka sakaling we could identify players who could play for the national team. And then, siguro one episode, kwento ko yung na-stuck ako sa airport because of the Microsoft glitch. Went to LA for like half a day or like, that's a day. Traveling, sleeping at a motel kasi wala namang matulugan. Heading to Phoenix, and then dahil connecting flight, wala nang flights to New York. And then I had a quick vacation in New York. My 5-day vacation turned into like 2 days in New York. So speed run kami sa New York, just look at some places. Dami ko pa hindi napupuntahan, and then went back home, back to work. Tapos UAP season at that time. Anyway, still grateful. I was able to go places like before. Even I joined the federation, the SBP. I went to. I was able to go to different places because of basketball. I'm still doing it right now, so I'm very grateful for that. Next year, more flights, hopefully, for work and for vacation. Baka kailangan ko ng work-life balance. I think, hindi nga, I think it was Steve Jobs ba? I think someone from Apple was saying this should be work-life harmony might be the right term sinasabi niya, but let's see. I want to read more books. Medyo hindi na ako nakapagbasa. And yes, play basketball more. Parang gusto ko at least twice a week nagba-basketball. Parang last year halos walang basketball. As in, maybe less than 15 times we played basketball, less than 20 times. From a guy who was practicing technically every day to like almost 10% na lang from 100, 5%. So grabe yung decrease. So you have to do more of that. And sa mga nagtatanong, I know some people would always ask me bakit wala ka pa rin girlfriend, wala ka pa nililigawan, nakakapagod yung ibang tanong. But it's a choice. It's a choice. Number one, in-explain ko yung schedule ko, wala talaga. Pagod na pagod. Parang sometimes you don't, ay yung number one, when I started working, dati sobrang bilis ko mag-reply to everyone. Now halos zero. There are times na nakikita ko 3 days ko na hindi na-reply friends ko. Nakakahiya na mag-reply. So I have to fix that as well. I have a lot of weddings to go to. So yung questions sa kailan kayo kakasal, mga ganon, paulit-ulit. Pero I understand. That's our culture. Pero yeah, it's a choice. 2025, let's see. If I have more time for that. I wanna play golf a little more also. Fairway, not driving range na lang. Also, I'm gonna start to interview people for the podcast side naman. Trying to get Junmar, Alex. Alex reached out as well to do a cross pod. I think it's his own podcast. Vaughn, maybe. Kung hindi maya si Vaughn. And for this prize, I'm gonna give this one again. Sino yung gusto nyong interview ko? And bakit? Tapos yung pinakamaganda bigyan natin ng isang ganito. And maybe a San Miguel merch. Since yung mga next guests ko is San Miguel people. So, I'll try to interview more people. I'm gonna try to do a different setup next year um for this pod. Hanap ako ng place which is iusog ko lang yung camera or sa taas sa third floor. Pero let's see. Work-wise, I'm not sure. Might have new projects. Let's see. Just happy with this year again. Grateful. Flip side again, I keep mentioning it at the start. We have this burger place in Arcovia near Landers. It's called Flipside. When you buy a burger, please message me. Baka nandun ako. And then also don't forget to order onion rings. Sobrang sarap na onion rings. Promise. So this year, try natin maghanap pa ng more businesses, more passive income. Grateful for my partners in Flipside. Shout out to the guys taking care of it. Di ako masyado hands-on because busy sa work, pero they're taking care of it. So please visit it also, or Covia, and message me. What else? So just a short recap. Also to the yung mga Raha boys of CF, you know who you are. Sila Stu Choi, Dre, Zagi. Shout out to, of course, Coach LA, Coach PJ, Coach Reg, mga kasama ko parati, Coach Zoe. Parati ko kasama Coach JV, Coach Boo, Ma'am Joy, mga kasama ko parati almost daily. Workmates, sila Erica, X, Miss Love, may JM, mga nakikinig parati yan si JM. Tapos, ang dami ko kasama parati. So, yung mga office mates ko, grateful for you guys. In the few weeks, also may wedding, gonna be a best man, tapos groomsmen, tapos meron rin sa May. So marami tayong events. Doon ko nalaman na talagang kailangan ko rin magpapayat kasi sasikip talaga ng damit ko. After what I had before, nag-increase na ako ng size, tapos nag-increase ulit ako ngayon kasi sobrang sikip na. Like kasya pa, pero alam mong hindi ka na comfortable. So 2025 should be time to change mindset and all. Pero sige, baka ibang pod na lang yung about 2025. This is about 2024. Met a lot of people, met a lot of basketball peeps. Shout out to Nico Rocha for influencing me to start this as well, aside from the podcasters or that I listen to. So thankful for everyone. And I hope you had a great 2024. If not, hang tight. 2025, you have to just work it out, grind it out. Wala eh. Like I mentioned before, life is unfair, pero we have to find a way to make it fair for us. Not everyone's born with a silver platter, and sa iba mayaman, iba mahirap. Pero we saw stories where people from na may hirap yumaman, yung mayayaman humirap. So of course, sana wala. Pag yumaman kayo, dyan na kayo. Sama-sama na lang umangat yung mga nasa mga nahihirapan. That's my prayer. Also that we all the listeners here, all the people who are in need of that sign or that help na financially or emotionally, spiritually to get it, to get help and to win next year, whatever your battles are. So that's about it. Hopefully, 2025 get to continue this. Hopefully, more guests and more good topics you can suggest also. And that's about it. And Happy New Year, everyone. And peace out to 2024. Bye bye.